Welcome to the deep dive. This week, we're zooming in on some specific open houses happening in Toronto.
That's right, happening this weekend, April 26th and 27th.
And we're focusing on properties in the, let's say, $1 to $2 million range.
Exactly. And these aren't just random listings. They've been curated by Brad Cox from the Heaps Estrin team.
Ah, Brad Cox. He's known for really tailoring the real estate experience, right?
Absolutely. Bespoke is the word they use.
Yeah.
And it's worth mentioning, he often has access to exclusive or off-market properties, too.
Good point. So not just what's on the public sites.
Precisely. So if you're looking for something maybe a bit different, he's a good contact.
Okay, so our goal today is pretty straightforward. We want to give you, the listener, a quick rundown of these curated open houses.
Yep. We'll hit the key info. Address, price, number of bedrooms, how long it's been listed.
Days on market, yeah. And we'll pick out one thing, one standout feature for each place that caught our eye.
Sound good? Ready to jump in?
Let's do it. Where are we starting?
Okay, first up, 2 Glenbrae Avenue. This one's in Leaside.
Leaside, right. Price.
It's listed at $1,229,000. It's got 2 bedrooms.
Okay. And how long has it been up?
Just 4 days. So pretty fresh.
And the standout feature. What's interesting about 2 Glenbrae?
Well, it's a semi-detached link home, which is kind of neat. But the main thing is it's on this really quiet one-block street in North Leaside.
Okay.
And it's surrounded by homes that are, frankly, much more expensive. So it could be, a great way to get into that specific neighborhood without maybe the huge price tag of some other places there.
Potential entry point. Gotcha. Okay. Where to next?
Let's head over to Mount Pleasant East, 22 Banff Road.
22 Banff. Okay.
Price on this one is $1,299,000. 3 bedrooms.
3 beds. Days on market.
0. Brand new listing. Just hit the market.
Wow. Okay. Hot off the press. What's the highlight here?
Location, 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 really. It's in the Maurice Cody School District, which is super popular.
Always in demand, yeah.
And it has a walk score of 88. That's really high. Means you can walk to tons of amenities easily.
Very convenient. Okay, number 3.
Back to Leaside for this one. 49 Brent Cliff Road.
Here, Cliff.
Price, $1,398,000.
Also 3 bedrooms?
Okay. Days on market.
Just 2 days for this one.
Still very new.
Yeah.
And the standout.
This is a nicely renovated semi. The key thing, I think, is the double walkout from the kitchen and the dining area.
Oh, nice. To where?
Out to a redone deck. And it's got a natural gas BBQ hookup ready to go. So perfect for entertaining outdoors.
Yeah, that sounds ideal for summer. Okay, next.
Let's check out the annex. 30 Belmont Street.
Belmont. Okay. Price point.
Just under the wire at $1,399,999.
Okay. And bedrooms.
It's listed as 2+1 and 2 days on the market.
2+1 in the annex. What makes this one special?
It's a freehold property. That's pretty rare right in the heart of the annex.
True. Lots of condos and townhouses there. Exactly. And this one has a French door walkout to its own private backyard space. Again, finding private outdoor space like that downtown is quite unique.
Definitely a gem in that area. All right, number 5.
We're heading north a bit. 27 Raleigh Avenue. That's Bridle Path, Sunnybrook, York Mills area.
Raleigh Ave.
Price is $1,499,000. It offers 3+1 bedrooms.
3+1. Days on market.
4 days for this one.
Okay. And the notable feature?
The lot size. An extra wide lot for the area, 26.5 feet. Plus, it has a private driveway.
Private drive is huge.
Absolutely. And it's in that sought-after Bayview and Eglinton sort of Sherwood Park neighborhood. Plus, bonus, it steps to where the future Eglinton LRT station will be.
Good location, good lot. Nice. Okay, halfway through our list, where next?
Lawrence Park South, 469 Roselawn Avenue.
Roselawn. Price?
$1,639,000. 3+1 bedrooms here, too.
Okay. Days on market.
2 days. Also very recent.
Seems like a lot of fresh listings this week. What stands out on Roselawn?
Well, it's detached, which is great. And they're billing it as move-in ready. It's in the Allenby School District.
Another popular school zone.
Yep. And it ticks a few practical boxes. Main floor powder room, a separate entrance to the finished basement.
Oh, separate entrance is useful.
And a walkout to a big deck and a fenced backyard. So really checks a lot for a family.
Sounds very practical. Okay, number 7.
Back to Mount Pleasant East. 516 Millwood Road.
Millwood.
Price. $1,649,000. This one has 3 bedrooms.
3 beds and days on market.
Also 2 days.
Okay. What's the story with 516 Millwood?
This one's described as an oversized semi-detached. Almost 2,500 square feet on all levels, which is quite large for a semi.
Wow, yeah.
It's on a prime stretch of Millwood and, again, Maurice Cody School District.
Back in Maurice Cody, right.
And it also has that often sought-after main floor powder room, plus a skylit family room, which sounds lovely and bright.
That main floor powder room keeps popping up as a key feature. Okay, number 8.
Heading to Rosedale Moore Park,
Yeah.
331 St. Clair Avenue East.
St. Clair East. Price.
$1,749,000. Listed as 3 plus 1 bedrooms.
All right. Days on market.
3 days for this one.
And the standout feature here in Moore Park.
It's detached, updated, and seems really well looked after. Meticulous is the word used. The highlight seems to be the combined kitchen and family room area.
Open concept living.
Sounds like it. And that space walks out to an extra deep south-facing backyard. So lots of sun, lots of space out back.
Extra deep and south facing. That's a great combo. Okay, 2 left. Number 9.
Back in Leaside, this time South Leaside, 51 Hannah Road.
Hannah Road.
Price is $1,795,000. 3 bedrooms.
3 beds. Days on market.
3 days.
And what's the angle on this one?
This one sounds like it's been a well-loved home. It's detached, and the key here is the lot. It's got a really nice 46-foot frontage.
46 feet. That's significant.
It is, especially in South Leaside. It also has a private drive. So the listing suggests it's a great opportunity for either a major renovation or potentially even a new build, given the lot size and location.
Lots of potential there. Okay, last one on our curated list.
Finally, number 10, 120 Chudley Avenue in Lawrence Park South.
Chudley. And the price?
Just under the $2 million mark at $1,998,800.
Okay, bedrooms.
3 plus 1. And 3 days on the market.
Right near the top of our range. What makes this one stand out?
It's a beautifully renovated detached home, but the real kicker might be the lot. Again, it's on a rare 32-foot wide lot for the area.
Wider lot. Renovated.
And private parking for 3 cars.
3 cars. Wow.
Yeah. Plus, it's in the John Ross Robertson School catchment, another top-tier district, and it's close to the subway, so it really hits a lot of high notes.
Sounds like a strong contender at that price point.
Definitely. So yeah, that's the rundown of the 10 properties curated by Brad Cox for this weekend's open houses. Quite a range, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. Even within that $1 to $2 million bracket, you see a lot of variety across different neighborhoods: Leaside, Mount Pleasant, Annex, Lawrence Park.
Right. Different features appealing to different needs, whether it's school district, lot size, renovation potential, or just move-in ready convenience.
And it's important to remember, like you said at the start, this is just a curated snapshot.
Exactly. Brad Cox and the Heeks Estrin team, they have access to more, including those exclusive and off-market listings we talked about.
So if one of these sparked your interest or maybe made you think about what you really want, reaching out to explore further could be a smart move.
Definitely. He focuses on that bespoke experience, finding the right fit.
It really highlights the diversity available. You've got semis, detached, some needing work, some fully done prime locations.
It's a busy market, and seeing these options laid out is, I think, pretty helpful.
Agreed. So as you, the listener, reflect on these properties, maybe ask yourself, which one of those standout attributes we mentioned really jumped out at you? What aligns most closely with what you're looking for in an ideal home?
Yeah, that's a great question to ponder as you maybe head out to some open houses this weekend or just continue your search. What matters most to you?